Hello guys, about firewalls in Linux machine and security, which can be used for monitoring and controlling of incoming and outgoing traffic based off predefined rules. And the firewall solution of Linux is called NetFilter, and NetFilter is a software firewall and a packet filtering framework which is found inside the kernel of the Linux machine. And NetFilter is controlled by the Iptables command. And in this video we're gonna use firewall rules, which can be filtered by IP addresses, and this filtered IP address can be used by source of IP address, destination of IP address. So before further ado, let's get into it. So the first firewall rule that we're gonna use is which we can deny any incoming traffic from any source IP address. So to write that rule, you just type iptables -a input, since it's incoming traffic, -h, which stands for source, and you write the source of the IP address of that source Linux machine. And we're gonna try to use my another Linux machine, and let's try to find its IP address. So what we are going to do is we're gonna try to deny any traffic from this IP address. So this is its IP address of my other Linux machine, and let's go back to my other Linux machine. So 192.168.88.249, and then -j and drop. So as you can see, this is S stands for source, -a stands for append, so it's gonna append incoming traffic, and -j stands for jump, so it's gonna jump any source, any incoming traffic from this IP address, and it's gonna jump to that action, which is drop. So before we proceed to that rule, first let's try it with ping. I'm going to use ping from this Linux machine, and I'm going trying to ping to my another first Linux machine. So as you can see, ping is working right now. So let's go back to my other Linux machine. So by the way, we always have to be root in order for Iptables to work. I'm gonna press enter, and voila, let's go back to my another Linux machine. Sorry, I think it's not working. Sudo issue iptables -a. This is the rule 192.168.88.48, and I'm pressing enter again. And as you can see right now, ping has stopped because I have written a rule that will drop any incoming traffic from this source IP address. And to check if that rule is listed or not, type iptables -vn capital L. So as you can see, since it's input, it has dropped 26 packets from this source IP address. And the other part is we're gonna try to drop outgoing traffic from any destination IP addresses. So let's try to open another terminal here. So what I'm going to do is, first I'm gonna try to ping to this IP address. As you can see, ping is working. So the another part we're gonna write the firewall is we're gonna try to drop any IP address to any destination IP address. So run iptables -a output, since it's outgoing traffic, minus D for destination, and write 8.0.0.0/8 minus J drop. And when I press enter, the ping is gonna stop. As you can see, ping has stopped because I have wrote a rule that's going to drop to this destination IP address. So as you can see right now, ping has stopped. And let's try to check the firewall rules. Iptables minus VNL. Sorry, that was not tables minus VNL. So since it's output, let's go to the output, and as you can see, 27 packets has been dropped to this destination IP address. And the next part we're gonna check is we're gonna try to deny access to any websites. So as we all know that websites have their IP addresses, and these IP addresses are resolved in a DNS server. And to know the IP address of any domain, you have to use this commands. The command is nslookup, and as we all know that nslookup can be used in both Linux and Windows machine. So let's check the IP address of any website. So nslookup. So I'm gonna choose this website, www.ubuntu.com. So as you can see right now, these are the IP addresses of Ubuntu. There are many different IP addresses. There is not a single IP address to this website. And the other command that we can use in Linux is dig www.ubuntu.com. So this is dig. So I advise you to always choose dig, because dig provides you with detailed information. So the command is going to be iptables minus a output minus D, minus capital D. So there are two ways that we can do that. One is through writing its IP address, but that will take too much time, because there are so many IP addresses for this website only. But the best solution is to use its name. So let's write www.ubuntu.com minus J drop. So before I hit enter, let's check to ubuntu.com. Ubuntu. As you can see right now, the website is working, but in here I'm gonna try to deny access to that website. So I'm gonna press enter, and let's try to check the website again. I'm gonna reload it. As you can see right now, Ubuntu is not working because I have denied access to that. And let's get back to my terminal. Okay, so to check the firewall lists, type my iptables minus VNL. So as you can see right now, it has dropped this packet is to this IP addresses. This IP address, which are the IP address of Ubuntu. As you can see right now, these are the IP address of Ubuntu, and Iptables have dropped this 3 different type of packets to this IP address. So I think this is enough for this video. In the next video, I'm going to talk about how you can use Iptables by using MAC addresses and port numbers. So thank you for watching.